the Madison Heights Department of Recreation. We are here with both the police chief and fire chief today doing another Minute to Win It challenge. This one is going to be called the Tissue Blizzard. The object of this game is to, using one hand, pull out tissues from the box and get as many as you can within 1 minute. You may or may not get them all, and we will see who will be the victor today. To throw in an additional challenge, we will ask both chiefs to spin around 5 times before they start pulling out the tissues. So, chiefs, are we ready?
Ready.
All right. On your mark. Get